Welcome to product demonstration. This is electronic systems and devices current meter. We'll be using another product, ESD 135, which is a millivolt milliampere source for testing. Now we'll begin with the configuration mode for the current meter. Configuration mode, you have to press the increment and the function key. Message is DCPT, which stands for decimal point. You can change the decimal point at whatever position you want. This is password protected, so it will ask for the password. Default password is 134. We'll enter that 134. Sorry, and okay, right message. Now you can change the decimal position as per what your settings you are using at the your device. Now we'll keep it as 4. Enter. This is DC input, which stands for this is 75 millivolts. It can go maximum up to 200 millivolts. This is settable. Now that 75 millivolt corresponds to how many amperes we have to this will be the DC output. Enter. In this case it is 3000 amperes. Enter. AC input, same way like DC input, we have AC input, we have kept at 75. AC output also we have kept as 3000. Offset. Enter. Actually this offset is now below this reading, below 100 ampere, it won't show any reading on the display. So this we have just given some settings. Sometimes at the lower end there might be some noise or something, so for that we have kept that. This is HLD, that is whole time. This is for the peak value, for how much time it should be latched, the peak value. This is in seconds, we have kept it 2.5 seconds. Relay time, this is again in seconds, for what duration of time the relay should be kept on, that is this particular time. That's the end of this configuration mode. Now we'll go to the settings, the set point thing. First set point, enter. Password, this is set point is 1000. Enter. Relay logic low, so it means that if the value is less than 1000, the relay will be on. Same way there is other set point number 2. Here we have kept as 1500. Enter. Relay, here the logic is high, so once the value goes above 1500, it will be on. This logic, relay logic is changeable. You can change high low, and the password is same 134 for this mode also. Now we will see at the back side what the connections are. So here this is 230 volts AC input. Then we have the other one is AC input. So if your input is AC, you have to keep this as short. Then this start push button and common, and here we connect the millivolt input. Here it is 0 to 75, and on the top side this relay 1 and relay 2 NC pole NO contacts. Here we have attached these 2 buttons for testing purpose. If you press the white button, which is for the AC input, if you see, press the white button, this the decimal at the P glows. This is an indication that the system is connected to AC input. If you release that, it's a DC input. Now we are connecting to DC, so we will test that. And once the reading is there, the start push button must be pressed for the reading to be shown on the display. So that's the purpose of the start push button. Now we'll give some input, we'll feed some input to that. Okay, again he's given some input up to say, and now we're pressing the start button. The reading is shown here. Go up to press start button. Now it will be above. It's high logic, so the second relay will be on now. The second relay is on. The value is shown for that whatever we have to keep the time, hold time, for that time duration the second relay is on. So this is the product demonstration. Thank you.